And good evening, everyone. Let me check everything. At least I can hear myself. That's good. New system, new problems. I need to again organize my stuff. Okay. So what I was doing right now, I was trying to make like before I got a special folder on the desktop where I stored all the shortcuts to the debug stuff like CheatEngine, Ghidra, and debugger itself, and other stuff, I think. And now I want to place a shortcut on the taskbar to this folder, but apparently it's not possible. So we will try and do it with a additional toolbar. Because if I will place every program on my freaking toolbar, there will be no space. And I don't wanna place anything on the desktop because it's always covered with something. So CheatEngine here. Where is Ghidra? Oh, xdbg. Okay. Let's take you. Where is it? Debugger. Ghidra, don't hide from me. I will find you anyway. I copied it. I already opened it here. I remember. Sorry. Did I install you here? No. Application. No. Eclipse, adoption node, xdbg, electronic arts. It's supposed to be in one of these two folders, but I don't see it. My blind. Microsoft. Window. I don't see it. Okay, let me copy paste it from my old drive. And it was in program files. Copy. Oh, that's long copy. Okay, let's start the debugger for now. And where is my game? Okay, debugger. Yeah, and for some reason I installed new version of xdbg and it was giving me errors when I was trying to run Vim Hospital using it. So I again grabbed my previous version and it's working fine. Okay, guys, Ghidra, come on. Welcome to Ghidra. Okay, let's open the code. So last time I managed to fix how it's called, disasters. And I even do some code for it. Did some code. Visual Studio. Repo SLN. Let me check. So disaster. Yeah, all three arguments was working, I think. Oh. Visual Studio is so slow. Finally, come here. So, WebSocket. I don't need you for now. Glitch like that, please. Source. So we got disasters, address, cases, disaster length. And events. We got Quake VIP, disasters, emergency. Okay. Now, last event which I will be doing is the epidemic one. For this, we will need to dig a real deep, I think. Again, from my previous experience with this stuff. How this works? It constantly checks how many people with the same disease in your hospital and how contagious are they, or I think it's a boolean if it's contagious or not. Let me check. Ghidra run. Okay. So for this I need to open settings in the game. Data. No, not data. Level. This one. And here we will see contagious spread factor, like more chance of spreading. Restart. I think cont. How contagious? How much? Round up to this figure. Higher, more contagious, must be greater than 0. So it's not a boolean, it's random. So from 0 to 25. 0 is not contagious, everything higher contagious. 25 is like biohazard. Contagious spread factor. So contagious. Contagious month, peep count. So this how many months it will wait until starting to produce contagious people, and this is how many people should arrive already before it started. To reduce to 0, do not produce contagious illness at all. Okay, then expertise, contagious illness, 1 count rate are contagious. 1. So where does it start? Count start 0, 0, 0. There is some zeros here. So they because it's the first level. If I will open last level, now we see that some of them expertise. Strange. Start prices disappeared. Okay. Contagious rate 0, 0, 0, 20, radiation, discrete itching, gelitis, beeping, transparency, uncommon cold. This is pretty contagious. Okay. And nothing else is about contagious, I think. Okay, so it's a per person basis. So basically, to manually trigger this stuff, I will have to find the code which generates a new people and set these params myself. Or I can like iterate over all people in the hospital and set and change these values to required one. But there may be a problem because I want to do it so viewer can select which disease it will start, and if I will try to manipulate with existing data, there will be not enough people there may be not enough people in the hospital with the same disease to start this process. So previous time I was generating people. It was really painful to do. That's why I never did a video about it, because I wasn't able to normally replicate, like constant replicate it. It was working sometimes, but didn't work sometimes. So I decided not to show it. But now I think I can understand how to do it. I will generate some people with selected diseases, and I think if you will try and change disease of a person, it will not lead to something good. It can crash game, I suppose, because you can accidentally change something. Like there is some dependency, I think. So if a game sets some disease to a person, if you change it, it will really don't like it. Because like some animation is changing. For example, yeah, some simple example is if you will try to set like this without visual stuff to the person with visual stuff and vice versa, it will definitely make some problems in the game. So now I need to find how people are spawned. For this, I need to find an array of objects, and I think I found it last time. Let me check my hospital object. Find use. We got a bunch of it, but I think only this one we need, because yes, it grabs the global variable which contains an address where stored the address of the actual array of objects, which contains people. So I need to check these references, basically, where it get used. Read. There must be one place to write, I think. No, because it grabs the address and then manipulates it. Where is my function call tree? Yeah, that's better. Refs. So this is the same function. I think there will be more chances to find it by the end, because when it populates, like generates people, it search for the empty space in this array, and it should be in the while loop between this address and end address. For some reason, end address is far away from the start address. There it is. Oh, it's also got a lot of references, but it shouldn't be. So there it is. It checks if it's out of range or not. And yeah, basically there's most of them is compare in some kind of loop. There is a move, but it's again moving. I don't see it here. Why you placed me in this? Jump. There it is. Move EX, ECX, compare. There's the push. Call 20, so and push EX, do while. Simple playing. Let me check one thing. Do I have contagious? Yeah, I have a contagious. Wait a minute. I can find usage. And we don't have anything. That's bad. I expected it to be accessed somewhere. What about this? Nope. Okay, let's try and do it stupid way. Come here. Let's run our game. I need to remove the inject. And I need a smaller window for Team Hospital. Modify like that. No. This delete. This rename. Ooh, run. Alt A. Attach. And let's grab this address. It's already populated with something interesting. Let me label it. hospital object data. Label. Brunk. Okay. Now we need to go into the dump. Right now it's 0. For C, yeah. Oh, why are you still working? Camera, what the hell is happening with you? Okay, so when we start, it should populate level loaded, and we are getting a lot of stuff. First slots, like first slot is basically empty. It's like padding some kind of F, like this. Then next stuff is the actually map. I think if I will check hospital, University Hub. Format specification. And if we will go down there into in-game objects, again it's wrong repo. Hospital spec, there's several repos like that, but I don't see them because forks are too old. Oh, this one. Yes, I think this one might. Let me bookmark it while I'm here. Games. Hospital. Folder. And add bookmark. Come on, and this one. Okay, I think. So he got a lot of data additional here. Like for hospital data, there is like handyman, doctor, nurse count, staff count, a lot of stuff. Hospital policy, remaining duration of disaster, disaster type, yeah. Epidemic fine, epidemic total number of patients. Emergency disease expertise index, emergency control illness, control bonus. Research distribution. That's hospital data. I need actually in-game object. I thought someone was having a better better explanation. Yes, I remember I changed something here and I was able to move a door. So I was able to understand where is the door. Yeah, there it is. So if I change it back to 80, restore, door will close. Babams. If I will change this to 0, nothing will change. Because it's something else. Restore. Because I think there is a... This is a 1 value and this is a second value. Yeah. That's X and Y. So if I will move it like that, I think it will move somehow. Restore. Okay, let's not play with this. So this is the door. Each AF is the new value or new item. So AF. So it's a 9, 10. So 11 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I messed up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes, 11. Well, this actually is a... I think I can make a structure here, but I didn't inspect it properly. So for me right now, it's easier to grab a cheat engine again. I know how to do it there. I'm hospital. Connect, please. Now, there is a handy thing in the memory view. Tools. This, I think. Structure. Define. So there is the address. Define new structure. We don't give a damn for now. And size is where is the hex? F. What am I doing? 175. Voila, we got some data. Hey. Now I can find contagious. Its last byte 174. Yep, last byte. Contagious. And I can make like that. And I will get a second one plus a F by 1. FA, FB. So we get this. And basically I need to start from 1 because 0 is empty. So, as you can clearly see, doors not contagious. Now we need to find some group which is not a freaking map. So if I will move to 10, it's not 0. 20, it's 0. Half 15. I got something. So it's a map. 16, 17, 19, 19. A, B, C, D, E. Yeah, 1 E is empty. This annoying thing with a cheat engine, I am trying to press Ctrl A to select everything inside the field, but this is a shortcut to add a new group. So 1E is the EF and F20. All three of them are zeros. Now we will grab our mouse, which are glitching again. We will place a reception desk. Come on, there it is. And we see that this is changed. We got a freaking desk and where is this? If we will grab byte 55, Oh, 50. Okay, it's logic that it can't understand this. We will see this later. So, for fun's sake, mouse, stop glitching. I will grab freaking receptionist and we will get interesting result. She is not here. I think people is from behind. So I need a F by 1500, which is actually, because it's a hex, I'm far 5DC 5DC -1. Will it correspond the end of the array? Let's check end. This is end of the array. We get something awful. No. 0, 3, wait a minute, 49, 65, 5D. Minus 2. 39, 349, 6, 5. We're still okay. Why I'm so far? 5, 6, 7. Hmm. 64BO. How I managed to mess this up like that? Address of the start plus IF by 1500. It's 175. Where there was a number about 1500. Yep. Game object. Limited space. Yeah. Maximum object count of 1500. So 1500 by 175 plus this. Correct. 34964BO. We got it here. But why in CheatEngine it's messed up? $5DC by IF. What the? 0349 65. $64BO. Mini. So basically like that. What was that? I don't know. I was... I forgot the parentheses. I was making -1 from the address. So now it's AE, now it's AF. Okay. Okay. So last item in the array also empty. Now let me add like that. You can't use parentheses. Are you serious? So A still no luck. 5DA 5D9 8 7 6 5. Huh. Strange, I can't see her. Where is she's added? Interesting. So I had a small code to check this stuff. So you can basically iterate over this array and find everyone with a special type. Strange why contagious is not used anywhere. Must in disease. Patient status. Maybe because I never assigned this type to anyone. But I did assign it. Find use of. Yeah, there is a bunch of places. Okay, let's check all users. Oh. It's type 2 is a patient. Find use of. Yep, there is exactly one place. Okay. Field 16. That's about vomit. Okay. Let me find reference to this again. Because I think there's only a couple places where I actually added a freaking type. So address plus 49 by F. It grabs value pointer. Undefined. Ref, let's check another one. By AF, no. 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 This 49 is used a lot. Oh, okay, there is a lot. Let's try then with globals. Usually it's easier. So, what we got here for contagious? Reduce contagious month. I think I can try and find this volume. Camera is living its own life for some reason. Interesting if it's happening every half an hour. Can explain a lot. Okay. Buttons back. So let me check this from 0 to I think it's a byte. That must be enough. Okay. Can I find only static values? Interesting. Now we need to close it. Change this to like 10 and start again. Now check next scan 10. Okay, we got a lot of static stuff. Exit. No, I accidentally closed the game. It will killed all my data. Now let's check it back to 0. Will I be able to? No. No readable memory. I forgot to reconnect you. Okay. Again. Then let's make it 5. Oh, and we got a value. C47DO. Now, Ghidra. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Grab the name. label. Now we need to find the references, and we see only 2 of them. And the second one at the same function, so that's one. Let me try and find this. New search 0. Again 10. Exit. Again 0. Got several of them. Let's make it 3. Okay. Three, and we got 1, and it's basically the next one, D2. I assume that this will be going on and on. Just for giggles. Where is it? 0. New scan 0. First scan. Exit. Rate 10. Okay, now let's make it 7. And we got yes, D4. That's what I expected. So basically everything is okay. What is this interesting? Pip count is greater than that. What we got here is 0. If I load any game, we still get 0. On this address. Two. 21. At the amount of people in the hospital. Oh. 21 in hex, it's 33. And what is this? Hmm. $21. Let me check. Here comes. No. Very good. No, people come in and come out. This doesn't change. Okay, this I don't know what it is. But we grabbed apparently a proper function for own contagious people. If not equal 0 and just count month, it should. Oh, wait a minute. It's amount of month. What the fun? I forgot to check this one. 2002. It's the second year. That's October. So 21 in hex, it's 33 months. Minus 12, and we got 9. 9, it's October in the game because they got numeration from 0. So undefined 2, 1C. Word pointer, and it accessed a lot, and everything is word. So we can set a word and label it as month past total. So basically we're checking if reduced is greater than 0 and month past less than reduced. Ouch. We should keep them apparently. Reduce count, peep count, and this must be peep count total. And this is also 2 byte pointer word. So we got 79 in hex, so 121. And if I will go here, visitors 176. It doesn't match. Let me check if I will go to another save. Load chpok 0. Okay, that's logic. 0, and now we will just wait a little bit. Yeah, first one. Okay, and it's exactly spawned because amount of people inside the hospital is counted when they are inside the hospital. But why it's 5 already? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ah, it's a counter, but it doesn't trigger every time. Or it's on all 4 hospitals. C, it's A, B, C, 10, and 12. And I got 4 of them. Read write. It's incrementing here. And we are here every time, but we don't spawn every time. Okay, I will call it just a peep count. Total. And logic of it we will see later. Okay, and if it not equal 0, reduce count greater than a month passed, or count, so it checks if month or peeps is not enough, we will go to the true, so we don't spawn. It's a hold. If it's true, we then contagious rate by 100, and we do something like hold contagious do not produce contagious. Hold contagious. Okay. Now my video again stuck. My audio is Strange. Again, OBS glitched. And the fun fact that like voice was going through, but video stuck, and my preview was disabled on this OBS, and when I enabled it, it gave me an error of encoding error and stopped streaming at all. And I have to restart the OBS. That's not good. It's better than it was glitching before, but it's still glitching. That's not good. So we found like hold contagious, and if it's holding, we are getting this. But wait a minute, if not, we are just jumping over this stuff. Reduce contagious by 100. What is BVAR free? And what is this array? Not equal 0, BVAR. Byte pointer. Byte. What is this? One. Dot 438b. UVAR is param plus something. If it's not equal 0, it will go here, or it will go here with this value. Let's try and catch this function, shall we? We got the value of function. Now we need to sync it. Sync. Can you go out, please? So param1. Is this contained in stack? So I suppose this address. Push 0 out, push, move, ESI. Yep, basically this address. And this function is called only from one place, which is UVAR4. in UR4 is coming from this function. Are you grabbing function from the object? So while true, if hospital object data plus param minus f, so we are moving from the back. Return defined plus af. So we are getting like hospital object data and plus param minus, so last, like one minus last object, and we are moving like start of the array to the end because we are adding here. So basically we are grabbing some of the object, some object from this array on this index. So basically I can call it index. We're checking C, object C. It's a divider somewhere. Interesting. But okay, 32. And we are passing this address here. It's some address in the memory. So if I will follow it in dump, we will get a lot of stuff here. Is this anything? Where is the address for objects? Hospital object data. Following dump. So 0Z3 3E 67 and 63 plus again plus this, and the address is wrong. plus 3 6 3 4 C. So is this address? No, it's far from it, from the end of the object. No, it's not the object, okay. So I don't know what is this address doing here. But I know that this is the address. So, can you 6 18 this one, yep. Oh, okay, let's go to the next one. We are moving something from ESI plus 8 0 4 8, so it's a 2. Then we are using this as a moving through the array again. So basically it's a 16, which is 10. Huh. Strange. EDX we will get 12, which Ah, 2 by 8 is 16 plus 2. Yep, 18. Then we again 32 or 24 hex plus 2. 26. We got 26. So this is pointer address. Let's call it like that for now. I don't know what it is. Then we're grabbing here x plus this address b. So it's basically this plus 26. And we will get compare 3b1, this one. We are comparing with 0. And it's 1. Jump not equal, and we are out of here. Come on, sync it. It's a wrong function. What do you do? Oh no. We called this and we are just ignoring the result. Okay. What's the point of the result if we are just ignoring it? Yeah, we overrode it here. So what we will get? Nothing, and now no one. Let me grab my labels. Camera position. Nope. Camera, this one. Min and max. I want to unlock my camera so I can move it. So C2, C4. Min FF. Should work. Yep, now I can see the spawn point clearly. And voila, we again at this breakpoint. And we are getting the same address or not? I see the different one. 3E 6. So it again iterates over array. Oh, it returns an empty address. Wait a minute. We are getting it here. So 32 elements from the back is reserved. 32 in hex. It's 50 for something. Apparently it grabs an address here. It's really just checking if there's an empty space. If less return If start of the array is greater or equal than end. So if we moved into this area, we will return. Let me break on this function. Basically, yeah, I think we're getting the empty we're searching for empty spot in the object array. Where is it? Where is it? I basically can call it from here. No, not in the... Wait a minute. Why the address is not from the array segment? Because it must end at 64 and something. $67 is too far away for the objects. We're getting something else. But we're still searching for the empty space in some kind of array. Come on. So we are here. Our params in the stack, but some deep stack. No, it's params. It's a local variables. That's a params. Okay, for 8c. Param. It's a local. We go in different way from the stack pointer. To sub ESP20. So we are like saving space for this. Push. Push 32. So we push this on the stack and calling this with 32. We're getting ECX. That's address. Can I follow in dump? Constant. So let me label this address. Now we will get and text here. Hospital object data. So we are getting this. Then from ESP plus 4 is okay. 32. We add F immediately. We got this address. Just if it looks between these two addresses, how the hell it managed to grab the address from different region? Or my brain is dead. ACX by 8. 190 sub. So it's by 7. Load. What is this logic? What it does? Negate the x. So to E it's 32 by F. Yep. Okay, so it's basically to make index by F. We negate this, so we got minus, and we are adding this to hospital object and for E76DO. Which right now is 64BO. So we will get something minus, basically if I will negate this and plus 03, 42, 64, B0, we will get basically 4282 into EDX. Yep. Compare this with this, which is the end of the array, on start of the array. 63. It's 63 for C plus F. Yep, 63 of B. So we're comparing that EX and EDX equal or greater. Right now 34. Oh, wait a minute. Did I miss a small detail? Zero 3 3E 42 63. I'm a freaking god. End of the array is 42 and this is 3E. I was looking only at the last 4 digits. That's why it didn't work. $33, 30, 42. So this is much greater than this. $03.42. Yep. Okay, that makes sense. We are comparing, and jump is not taken, or we will go here if we are somehow went over the limit. So for this we are removing this, comparing E with 0, and we are jumping. No, we are not jumping because it's not equal. Because if we were to jump, we will jump on return immediately. It's a break. Huh. Wait a minute. This is 6. Okay. And the 6 is the... What is the field C? Where am I going? A, B, C. It's a type. Because again, for some reason I didn't retype it. So object pointer. And that's much nicer now. So if type not equal 0, which means it's empty, this cell. Rename get empty cell address. How we can call it? It's not just index, it's index from behind. Let me check unexpected stuff. JavaScript. I think info for English version. Yep. Arrays. So that the type. Where's the methods for arrays? Methods of array methods. Okay, so we got like splice. One step from the end, because like and this function, you can see that it goes from behind because you need to use minus. Here it grabs plus and it reverts here, so I need to name it appropriately, so it's not just index but index from the last element. Index, can call it end index because we are marking basically the end of the search array. Okay, let it be like that for now. So this basically returns a 0. Like an empty pointer. Here we should return our address. Hospital object the cell pointer. We are returning not a freaking uint, but a pointer. It's basically hosp object pointer. We're getting it a lot. Get empty cell, get empty cell. Oh, this is from 0. Interesting. 0, it's from the end. So it's a whole array. Okay. So this function is understandable. And it will iterate again. Compare next, again 6. And we got out. And we got address. Test. We saved result in IBP. Jump. No, because if jump, it means that this is a 0, and it means there is no address. It's here. So I can rename you pointer hosp object cell. field 16. So we are moving into AL something from here. We are nullifying basically. Then we are moving it into IBP plus 16. So it's param 16, okay. Param 2, okay. Then type is 2. It's let's add a comment here. Patient. How it's written. Type 2 equal patient. Okay. So it's basically generating a patient for us. We can grab this and follow in dump. And type is C, as far as I remember. 48 C. So this will change to 2. Yep. Then we are grabbing again next param, moving to CX, so 36 3F. Jesper. What is this? It's a sprite? Something like that, maybe. And we are moving it. We are making some masking. And making it as a byte. 80. It's orientation. So it's this 4 params is something about animation. I think if we look here, we will find something. Frame index byte 7 or 8 9. No. 5 7 unknown. Huh. Something with animation sprites, I think, because when I changed it, it was glitching So sprites was changing and eventually game crashed when I was playing with it. Next we grab 13, 14 from 5 and 7. Which also unknown here. Na, 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 na. Animation. Second and third players that get drawn if their respective value is greater than 1. Yeah, I think this actually with these layers. But we will not touch it. We are not interested in it. So we are basically copying. Where is this part? Here? Why it's here? Comparing this to 10. Okay. We are comparing it here, but checking it's here. So that's why this is much lower. So we basically compared and did nothing with it. And now we are moving into field 14. Okay, it's again, and this for C and for E. What is this two addresses? Interesting. I think no. And 1, and we are saving it here. Do we have anything nearby? Maybe it's some global values. Let's try. And just look at it. So we got disaster launch here. Oh. Where is it? Huh. It's here. Oh, mayor launch. This is not... Which level I opened? First. Okay. Now, what the hell is this? 0020. So 20 in hex. It's 32. And this is 1. Bathroom sink. But it's definitely not this. Maybe some random value from the config. Okay, let's work with what we got for now. So we got some global variables saved too. I can basically note it, rename field. This will be changing, I think. Okay, let it be like that for now. Should I rename you? Field equal. Yeah, I can do it like that for now. So I will know there is some logic. So now we are checking that this is less than 10. Jump is not taken. We are removing this. This address, ESI. How we got it? C. Okay. We are removing it anyway. Then we are moving something from the global. Again, 32. But where is it? So we jumped here on the else. And again, it's undefined. But... Ow. This address No. Nothing. So we are basically copying this address here. Clearing this. Then from this address we are getting byte, which is 32. We are subbing B or D from it, from address. So we are like jumped somewhere here. A, B, C, D apparently. No. A, B here. Okay. Then adding ESI plus ECX. Why would you mod a hospital? Because why not? Hello, Lemonade Johnson. I'm not just modding the hospital, I'm basically connecting it to the Twitch channel points. So, as usual, let me give you a link to my previous attempt with this stuff when I used CheatEngine and what I did. Playlists. Theme hospital. Copy. Should work. Yeah. So basically, there is a 5 videos. For overlay, it's just a overlay. So main is these 5 videos. So basically I gave a control over in-game events such as VIP, earthquake, emergencies, and disasters with some other fun things to the viewers. You can use channel points and trigger stuff in my game. I was playing it at this time, and I think I will be playing it soon. Hello. So, where is this? There is a little bit of explanation how it works, but as you can see, I made it so people, for example, can leave your hospital completely. And my audio is lagging for some reason. Interesting why my audio was lagging. So basically I add interactivity to the stream. And now I'm just doing the same, but the proper way. With more control and less errors. Right now I'm trying to understand how to spawn patients with desired params. I can use Corsic with open source for this, but unfortunately it's not a complete game yet. There is still something which doesn't work. So I decided to make it myself. What we are comparing this here? Just address with address. Huh. Okay. Jump is taken, and it's a do while. While address from here is greater so yeah, inks, we got 04 xb, that's 84. So we made all of this and go to the second loop. I pressed the wrong button. I pressed continue instead of step. Okay, let's look at this function again. Oh no, we are running. Or we are crashing. What the hell? Come on! I think it crashed. Yep. The bugger is free, but game doesn't work. Game stuck. Too bad. Let's restart it. For example, if I will open the hospital, but I will not place a receptionist, will it ever get any breakpoints? Where are they? Level render. Where is my function? I lost my function. This game cell. Okay, let's check this again. So will it ever call this function? Yep, we got it. Let's again sync it. We got param1, some nonsense. Param2 also. Strange, right? Jump. Is per3c. It's a 0, which is param3. Why this doesn't move? Okay. It creates anyway. So game creates a patient no matter what. Jump, jump, jump. Oh, random seed. Okay. What we get here is just an address. IVAR 4. Do while. Again compare, but we are going out of it. Again compare, jump back and do while again. Oh, quick jump out. This field we are making to something. Then we call again random seed. Again, something. I think I need to find some like addresses for expertise and stuff. All of this. Jump and call to random seed again. I think. Yes, again random seed. So we're using so many globals here. Call 20 on the cell in param. So basically we can retype u to object. Was object pointer. We're setting some fields, passing it here. Rename host object. Retype host object pointer. Again, global. It's a function. Or not. Ah, no, it's an array. No. It's just a data. Cut. UR2. Okay, mask. Again, this here. 30. So this is the index in the array. Char. Why it's char? No. Functions. A lot of functions, but it's the same. BB30. It's basically index. This equal parent2 and 16 equal this and that name. For now it will be like that. If contagious not 0, we are doing this. Wasp object and retype wasp object pointer. So we are setting field 74. Contagious equals 0, and then we are calling this function 4 times on the different fields. And this is some value, which I don't know. This again was object was object pointer. 12:59. It's move to the next hospital. Don't tell me that this is a function to send person to another hospital, because you can actually do it in the game. Can cat as object host object minus address divided by size. What? This dot plus 1. This is byte. Game struct plus C plus 1. Do I have any data about this? Nope. Key field. This function wasp object control N. Can I view somehow? Wasp object status and 40. It's a mask equals 0 function disease. Okay. First object disease by 13. And 19k. What was disease? You are strange. So we are back to our original function, where is checking for the contagious. If hold contagious, we are getting inside We will reduce contagious rate by 100 and multiply it by this. If b var is not 0, random seed, again some random stuff, again check to 0, and object grab the contagious on this. Oof, +1. So I can manipulate that it will generate contagious, but how contagious? No. Let's try quickly find some of the global variables before I will finish it. Like this. Salaries. Or I found this or not. How contagious? Wait a minute, I didn't find how contagious, I think. I found reduce, and this. So let me, oof. I need to chat. Connect this. Yep. So I found this reduce contagious rate. So this 3. Contagious spread, how contagious I need to find. Just for fun, let's just grab so contagious month this, and let's grab this address and go here. We got 19. But here is the 0. So it doesn't work like that. If I will go a little bit higher, it again doesn't work. Because 32 in a hex, it's a 50. I got 25 this, but my drag cost is 50. Okay, let's go with a cheat engine then. I don't need all of this. Let's find... I need to connect the game first. How contagious? 25 is the maximum volume. Now we will release the debugger first of all. Let's go to the game, quit. Mouse, can you be more cooperative? Let's start a new level. So for this we will get how contagious. Higher, more contagious. We will grab 20 and start a level. Now 20, and we got immediately a static address. 47 CE. So this is how contagious. Round up to this figure. No. Here it must be like this. Okay. Global. How contagious? And it will be word pointer. Okay, so there is no empty space. It's good. So we got word here. Now contagious spread factor 0. There is the thing. So we got how contagious, but immediately got reduced, so contagious spread factor is not correct. Not follow one by one. Okay. Word and word. Use. Word is too. It's a short. Choose data type short. And data, I think last used is Y. So it's also a shorts. So here we got contagious 0. New scan 0. We got a lot of zeros, so now let's check it to 100. Okay, we get several values. Like 50 now. Mm, 50. I got 1. C48, 45. Where is it? C48, 45. Oh. It's pretty far from them. And used only once with a byte. Byte. So spread to the short, unsigned short. Oh, and this. RAM. What is this volume? $53. 83. Okay. Now, so this is I don't need right now. Salary, no. Start cost, no. This I found. This I don't need right now. Rest, work tired, no. Recovery, tiredness, no. Recovery minimum, land cost, max object strength, usage, increment, Q point, dist point, Q. Q point, that's actual Q. So that's just shorter in the config. Q and distance. How far? Is there the stuff in the room? Liter, leaf, resign, happy, unhappy, drink, toilet, bowel, vomit, liter, salary, vac cost. Let me check vac cost. 54. Then we will change it to 34, for example. Start. For next, and we got the one. Now let's go to Ghidra. This vac cost data short. I don't use it. Short. Okay. Now, what else? Where it's used here? The cost to the function, concatenation of stuff. Okay, epidemic fine. 2000. New search 2000. Can I? Show only static addresses, no? All hospital. Oh, we got so much stuff. Now we will change it to 220. Restart the level. Now let's check. And we got immediately this. Okay. Epidemic find. Fine. Why it's only 2, I don't know. So fine. If it's short. So maximum fine can be 65k if it's signed or unsigned. And if it's signed, can be half of it. Okay, 32. We got it here. Epidemic fine by 2. Ooh. And here. Thinking. Maybe it's not a function actually. Not known to Hydra because it's freaking long. There may be somewhere. Oh no, it's really long. Function. Oh, different one. Okay, let it be like that. Let's see what we got on this address. 64. Looks like it. No, it's 100. It's too much. Okay. Epidemic comp law. If epidemic cover-up succeeded, how much compensation is received? Low value, high value. Okay. Let's check this first scan. Now. Change Restart the level, you son of a mouse. After some time it stops working properly in the game. I can't move the freaking mouse in the game. Now it's moving, okay. Come on, yes. So I need to find 1100. CheatEngine. 1100. Next scan. And we get this. Okay. It's the next one. For C. Yep. And this. Then. No, it's. Oh, no, yes, undefined 2. A 98 15k. Yep, basically we found it. And it's a short, and it's a short. Disaster launch also short. Mayor short. It's a short. Cover up is here. Get number between. Okay. So much conversion is short to u short to u int. And actually, yeah, it must be u short. U short. U short. U short. U short. No, it's u short. Because this value is not supposed to be less than 0, basically. Next one, minimum abduction, autopsy, mayor, location, population allocation. Oh, I need to find this. Let me restart the game, because it's just unbearable to move a mouse there. No, where is it? There it is. Okay. CheatEngine. I need to connect you. Now, what I'm searching for. Chance of random hospital selection. So search for scan for 4. Oh, the 3. Next scan. Okay, better. True. And we got this. And it's a byte. So second byte is empty. Undefined. Let's make it a byte. And let me look at this address. Browse this memory 2 and this 1 and this 2. 2, 1, 2 and 3. Huh. Looks like it, but why we never touch this address? Global location, look random equals 0. Okay, let me look at this address and I will change all of these values at the same time to like 4, 3, 1. Now. Come on. Will I see the switch? Yeah, 4, 3, 1. Interesting. Location, total rep. Waging. Doesn't work. Location delay. So this function uses this location 50, 50, 50, 50. So this allocation is used only in this function. So this function is responsible of allocation. What is this then? And this one. Do I have anything around? No. Less than 2. Oh, it's around Quake, but it's not a Quake. R5. R5 is here. That increments. Don't know. Down start cache. Expertise, so I need to make expertise next time an object. Good to head into work today, so doing stream on to earn points. It's good timing. I am finishing. Nice haircut. This haircut is like a couple months old, I think. I shaved. That's new. Because I need to make a photo for my documents. I have to shave, unfortunately. Nice, I get the 60 points. Interesting. Oh, shave, nice. Let me check the queues with rewards. Channel points. Channel points. Where is the queue? Something different from last time, yes. Less hair, but on the other part of my face. Where is my... why there is no button? Channel points queue. Let me check. This is reject. This is again. I don't have any channel point redeems from you, so I can refund them. Unfortunately. So there's nothing. We found some globals. I think found the actual function which responsible for spawning people. So next time I can finally manipulate with this and spawn myself some patients to start an epidemic. That is contagious. So think this one. So, thank you everyone who joined us today. Thank you, 765, for your point gathering. Farming. I got only one problem with OBS. That's good. So, I will see you all on the next week. I hope. Have a good rest of your day. Have a good rest of your week. And bye-bye.